Guys, you guys had requested that I add chili cheese fries to our menu. I thought that was a good idea, so I figured I'd give it a try. So right here I have a little bit of organic avocado oil in the pot. I have some diced onions, green peppers, and I'm gonna put some celery in it. I typically don't put celery in it, but since I have celery, I didn't want it to go bad. I do put the leaves in there. Everything has been washed and cleaned. Let me just turn the stove on. It's a little high. Got my pot on the stove, got the oil in it. I'm gonna just let it heat up a little bit. Alright, so I have my flame on high. It was on medium. A can of diced tomatoes. Very good. Right now I'm just sauteing some onions, green peppers, and celery. A little bit of sea salt and black pepper. A little bit of avocado oil in there. Fresh garlic. Some fresh garlic in there. Alright, I'm putting some ground beef, 80/20. Breaking it up with my hands a little bit. My chili seasoning mixture, put it all in the pot, mix it all up. What I used was salt, pepper, cumin, chili powder. I use chipotle chili powder to make it slightly spicy. My family does love spice, so we like our chili slightly spicy. If I was to make it on the truck, I would be making it the same exact way with the same seasonings. I use, of course, garlic powder and fresh garlic. I use onion powder as well as fresh onion. I use some smoked paprika. Alright, we are going to get our beans in here. I rinsed and drained the can into this big cup, and then I rinsed the beans off just because I didn't want any of that gooey sauce that it's in the bean sauce. I mean the chili. I put a half a can of tomato sauce. I'm also gonna add some if you do have beef stock, I would use beef stock, but I'm a big fan of the chicken stock, so I'm gonna put some chicken stock in there. I use this one. Just gonna sprinkle some in there. Alright, here we go. Some more seasonings. Get a little bit more.
Yeah, I was cooking it. So between that and I think maybe just the cheese. I don't know if you have to put it. I will put the cheese on, and then the French fries, cheese, and you sprinkle a little bit of.
Let me. How's that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I didn't get it down on the sour cream. Whoops. Hot. I like it.